My iron stopped heating the other day when I was ironing my daughter's uniform. Let's see if we can fix it together. This is not an instructional video. Your iron is more than likely different from this one. So, never mind what I do. Besides, the irons usually have screws that require screwdrivers that you more than likely don't have or know where to get. And it's not feasible economically to repair irons because the cost of the repair would far exceed the cost of a new iron. But this should be fun. If you can manage it, do it for yourself. Alright, let's get into it. Well, we know the iron is receiving power because the light is on, but there's no current being drawn, so the element isn't being heated. The iron now get hot. Continuity. There, that goes. And then we know we have power because this light lights up. We'll plug it in. Forgot to record this, but we'll do continuity test right here to check the thermostat, the thermal fuse, and the heating element. Meter lead on this black wire here. Next lead on that. 2 leads coming from the thermostat. Making momentary contact. Midway on like a low setting. So as soon as the iron start to heat, it's gonna cut out, and it's not making contact on any high setting. That's that one temperature. Alright, so that's off and low, going high, 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 highest. And it will gradually turn down. So shuts off. That's how it's supposed to work. Oh, by the way, what I did was use the sandpaper, put it between the contacts, and and rub it. Just rub it to clean them up. I can't do it with one hand. Probably between there. Probably some soot build up. Some arcing took place and some soot build up and built up on the contacts. So that's cleaned up. Make sure. What did I just do? Yeah, I just got some dust particles of the sandpaper stuck between there, and you see that was enough to cause it to malfunction. So there you go. I'm gonna blow it out again, make sure there's no dust in there. It's working properly now. An interesting bit of note is this switch right here. See those two balls rolling around? Okay. Well, those two balls, they make contact and close the circuit. And there's a time delay in here that opens this contactor if those two balls don't actually touch or make contact after a certain number of minutes. And what that does is, if you leave the iron level like this, the balls will fall in that position. That's the open position. And then that will signal this thing here to turn off after the timer runs out, because that would indicate that you've left the iron sitting probably on the clothes, on your bed if you're iron on your bed, wherever, maybe even on the iron board, and then this hot surface on whatever form of linen you're ironing on may cause it to catch fire. So that's a safety device to lock off the iron in that eventuality. So, but of course, if you turn the iron upright every now and then, if you're actually using it, then that thing will move around, and every now and then it will make contact and reset the timer so it doesn't shut the iron off. Success. Now let me go finish ironing my daughter's uniform. Even though we say off-grid living, we're not going to do without the modern conveniences, no sacrifices.